If your GMC Sierra vent stopped blowing air or started making a loud chirping sound, you can fix it yourself for under $50. Replacing the blower motor is a straightforward job that only requires basic tools and about 10 minutes of your time. Start by removing the plastic kick panel under the glove box to access the motor housing located right behind the cabin filter. You will only need a 7mm socket, a small ratchet, and a light to see what you are doing in the footwell. Before installing the new unit, inspect the wire harness for any signs of melting or heat damage that could cause a fire. Doing this yourself saves you hundreds of dollars in labor costs compared to taking it to a local dealership. If your fan only works on high speed, you might need to replace the blower motor resistor while you are in there. That is it for this quick fix. Check the description for part numbers and don't forget to like and subscribe.